Whoa, I'm gonna fall. Ready? Are you ready?
Go, mommy, go!
Ready?
Ready? Ramp. Ready, set, go. Woo! Okay, Sophia's turn. All right, look out of the way, Connor. You gotta get out of the way. You did? Wait, get out of the way. Get on the side. Get on the side, Connor.
Ready?
Look out, Connor. Okay, down the middle.
It's right in the middle.
Stand right over here. There you go. Perfect. Okay, I'm ready. Stay right there. Don't move. Woo! Nice. Okay. Here we go. Whoa!
No. This is too fast. You might hurt your face.
Oh yeah, go on your butt.
Go on your butt.
And don't sled into me. Whoa! Whoa! Wipe out! You okay?
It's a winter wipeout.
You okay?
You gotta walk back over this way. Here.
We got 4 fish. We got 4 fish.
Yeah, you went super far. Okay, be careful, Daddy will help you.
Hold on to the pole.
Run.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you can this guy.
Hold on to my hand. Here, Connor.
Wait for Daddy, bud. Oh, careful.
Good.
Here you go. Wait for Daddy so he can hold it.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit. Oh damn.